Hello, my name is Benjamin Guerrero, and today I'm going to talk to you about Berlin, Germany. So, Berlin. Berlin is located in Germany, and Germany is located in Europe. So, before traveling to Berlin, you want to make sure you have some key tips in mind when you're traveling. Your number one priority should be safety, and your second should be money. So, for safety, since Berlin is a first world country, they have the same diseases as we have here in the United States. There's a lot of rats. As I did my research, there's a lot of rats in Germany and specifically in Berlin. So they may carry rabies, but make sure your immunizations are up to date before traveling. For money, the main currency for Germany is euros, and it is real easy to exchange funds between the U.S. currency to euros. You just go to a kiosk, exchange your money in the kiosk, and then you'll get euros back. Meeting etiquette. So for this slide, you want to make sure you're conducting your business in a professional manner. Make sure you dress to impress. Same thing as always. You want to catch the eye of the business people, but also you want to make sure etiquette is correct. Since the etiquette is the same as the United States, you want to approach it the same way you would as in an interview. It's universal. So make sure you make eye contact, firm handshakes, respect the hierarchy, and you will do fine during the meeting. Next is negotiations. So this one, kind of similar to the last slide. You want to make sure you respect the elders and hierarchy when conducting business. You're in Germany, you are representing the United States and your business. You're in someone else's home. They're taking you in and you just want to show some respect and have manners. When conducting business and when finalizing the business, if you do not like what they have to offer, you can say no. They will not get offended. It is business. Now, when conducting the business and you've gone through the negotiations and you've reached an agreement, you can sign the contract, and once you sign the contract, the deal is done and it is finalized. So, social aspects of business, again, be professional. Make sure you understand the culture over there in Germany. Respect the culture, but not only that, respect the hierarchy. If you have a CEO in your business meeting, you don't want to treat him with disrespect. You want to treat him with the utmost respect, just like how you want to be treated with respect. Other considerations when traveling to Berlin: research about the country. There's a few key things you can do before you can go on the internet, and there's several websites explaining about Germany and the city of Berlin. Another key aspect would be learn the language. Learning the language is hard, but if you learn the keywords in the language, like yes, no, hello, where's the bathroom in German, then you would have a better understanding in the city, and you won't have as much language barrier problems as you would going without knowing the language. Also, research how the city works. If it's more of an industrial city, or if it's more up-and-coming city, if there's a lot of hipsters, or if it's a lot of working families, just stuff like that. So, conclusion and recap. Make sure you research about the city and the country. Make sure the currency, immunizations, terrorist attacks, etc., etc. Make sure you have a knowledge of what Berlin is, what they do in their country, and how they conduct their business. Traveling, again, research. You want to research your traveling when it comes to flying or going over in a boat, or etc. And the last keynote I want to point on is professionalism. Making sure you know how to be a professional and when to be professional at the right time. This is my presentation, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.